Creating Spring Boot application test. We'll remove. Let's check @Spring Boot application. Thinking inside this main method we need to add application context is equal to Spring application Spring application is the utility class Spring Boot application test dot class args. We created a Spring Boot application test also. Now we will run and see. Java application in Spring Boot. For web application also we can able to create normal page application. Spring Boot itself convert that one as a web application internally and that will deploy in Tomcat embedded server. It's loading. We need to check our URL is loaded or not. Get mobile's URL loaded. We need to check it's working fine or not. Get mobiles. It's not loaded. What's the error? We need to check. Here, maybe MySQL driver will not be available. Here, MySQL driver not there. For this one, we need to add MySQL dependency in home.xml. Here in dependencies, we need to add MySQL dependency. Here we need to add this dependency, MySQL dependency, and we need to update again. Moving update Spring Boot JDBC. Okay. Now we need to run the application and see. Get mobiles is loaded successfully. Here we can see our URL is loaded or not. Here we can go and we can hit again. See our mobile ID and all those things scheme. Now I will tell what are all the difference between Spring JDBC and Spring Boot JDBC differences. What are all the disadvantages in Spring? We'll discuss about later class.